Welcome to a special afternoon edition of the Blue Collar Crypto Show. My name is Joe, better known as Dr. Biteball. And let me tell you what, China is smart. Chinese people are smart. Chinese people are good with numbers and they're smart. And I don't want to get drug into some, oh, you're making racial stereotypes nonsense. The fact of the matter is, when it comes to Bitcoin, China is smarter and better with the numbers than the United States and anyone in the Western world. Every single thing that has happened in the Bitcoin market over the last 4 days points to Chinese manipulation. I'm going to go over to the screen share and show you the graph of Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart here and show you exactly what I'm talking about and why I think that China is such a major player in this right now. So we're coming over to the screen share here. And we're on the 4-hour chart. And you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to refresh this page here. Just make sure everything's up to date and working. Okay. Let's go to the 4-hour. And keep in mind, all the smart money in this market was saying that 7,500 would be this point of buy support, right? Because it corresponded to this area here with my cursor, where right before it fell and then came back up, the 75 to 8,000 area. Right when it was coming back up at 9,000, that's when China released that news. But now what have we seen in the last 4 freaking days? Let's go to the hour chart. Okay. The minute everyone starts panic selling, you guys remember this? From 9,300 down to 5,800 in a matter of maybe a day and a half. And then look at the huge volume now. Bigger volume than we've seen in Bitcoin ever. If you really look at the volume graph, how high these candles were, how steady, tons of money flowing into Bitcoin. And we see this turnaround. Why? It coincides too well that China dumps news on the market that's going to scare the hell out of everybody. It comes down to 6,000, and now in the last day, we see 5,000 up to, it was at 8,500 a couple hours ago. Are you effing kidding me? And you know what? I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. I don't know where this next wave of speculation is going to take it. If I look at it on, say, like a 2-hour chart here, is this the beginning of a longer-term Elliott wave, 5 wave? Maybe we come up to 9,000. I guarantee you, somebody is going to dump on the market. This is not the reversal. This is not like we found the bottom and it's going to take off from here. Don't be stupid and naive, because China will crush you. If you start seeing Bitcoin tomorrow above $9,000 and you're going, oh my God, it's back, it's completely turned around, the party's begun. No, it hasn't. There are Chinese miners who bought thousands of Bitcoins between 6,000 and 6,500 who were waiting to make a 30% gain on your stupidity. And you know what? There will be people who do it. The miners in China who got in on this level, anyone who bought Bitcoin on this level, want to see this trend go as far as possible. They don't care how unrealistic it is. They don't care how all the sentiment has come out of the market. They want this to fool everybody. Let me tell you how far it'll probably go, just to give you guys an idea of what's going to happen. You see the long-term trend of peaks here? It'll be a little more obvious on the daily chart here. Zoom in, okay? Get over so you can see it. Trend of the very top peaks. Let's graph that. Very bearish, but we're certainly got a ways to go for if we're going to touch it again. How about the trend of peaks on a little shorter term? 4-hour, for example. Okay. Here. Aha. Now we have an indicator. Okay. Because if we go to the shorter term, we just broke through that. Here's the next point of resistance as it corresponds to all the trends. Yeah, Bitcoin's going to mosey up around in the 80, 87, 8800s. We're probably going to see some kind of movement like that, maybe. And then when it gets around 9,000, that's when China's going to be like, oh, you stupid Americans, plunk. Mark my freaking words. There are too many smart people in this market who bought an absolute bucket load of Bitcoin in a very short price range. 6,000 up to maybe 7,000 at a max. Those people are going to take profit at $9,000. I guarantee it. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and it's live, and I'm not deleting the video. So a month from now, if Bitcoin's $25,000, you can come back and look at this video, and you can say, Dr. Biteball, you were completely wrong. We're suing for malpractice. But if you come on 2 days from now and Bitcoin's trading at 6,500, I told you so.